In the heart of the Abayudaya community, a tale of faith and perseverance unfolds. Meet Moshe, a man known not for his wealth, but for his unshakable devotion to Judaism. Living in poverty, Moshe and his family's home was barely holding together, their meals often scanty. Yet they were content, grateful for what little they had. One day, Rabbi Gershom sent his trusted follower, Yitzhak, to Moshe with a request that would test their faith. The rabbi had asked for a donation of 18,000 Ugandan shillings. Yitzhak, knowing Moshe's situation, was hesitant but trusted in Rabbi Gershom's wisdom. With unwavering faith, Moshe and his family fulfilled the rabbi's request, selling their few possessions, even their beloved animals. Yitzhak felt a pang of guilt, but was reassured by Rabbi Gershom that this was part of a larger plan. Evicted and homeless, Moshe's family began a journey, relying on the kindness of others until they reached a village near Mount Elgon. Here, Moshe found work and bought an old cow. Its milk was exceptional, leading to a relationship with a wealthy landowner. Years passed, and Moshe's honesty and hard work led him to inherit the landowner's properties, transforming him from impoverished to prosperous. When Yitzhak visited years later, he found Moshe, now a wealthy landowner, grateful for Rabbi Gershom's request that set them on this path. This story teaches us that life's challenges and hardships are part of a larger plan. With faith and perseverance, we can overcome them and find our path to success. It's a testament to the power of community support and the profound impact of faith in shaping our destinies.